A user has recently posted this question on Pabbly Connect forum, how to concatenate two text fields in ClickUp. So what exactly he is looking for: when a new task is created in a specific ClickUp list, automatically update the task name with its original task name and with first 25 characters of the description. So let me also explain you with an example. So assume that we have a task name as create a video and description name as on Google Sheets and WhatsApp integration. So I want the final title to be updated like this. Basically it should be the combination of task name and the description name with a condition that it should only fetch first 25 characters from the description. Okay, so our final title will be create a video on Google Sheets and WhatsApp. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that automatically with Pabbly Connect. So currently I'm into the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and I will create a new workflow. Let us provide a random name to our workflow, something like ClickUp automation. I'm providing this particular name, and here I want to merge the title and description and finally update the task name. Okay, click on create and this is how the workflow will be created. Now in the trigger application, I'm going to choose this ClickUp only because I want that whenever any new task is created inside ClickUp, this automation should trigger. Okay, so this is the trigger event of new task which I have selected. Now I'm going to connect to ClickUp with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let me do the same. It is asking for the API token which you can get from here. Okay, so click here and then click on this app section. Here exactly you can actually get the API token. Let me paste the same, click on save, and this is how ClickUp and Pabbly Connect will be connected. Okay, now it is asking to select the workspace name, the space name, the folder name and the list name. Here you can see whatever the spaces, folders and lists are available inside the ClickUp dashboard, all of them are visible here. I'm going to select the same one by one. Space name, okay, so I want to create this into this connect space. Okay, so let me show you. Here we have the connect space. In this space I have this Pabbly leads folder and I have the list name as new leads. Okay, so I'm going to select the same. Connect will be the space name, folder name will be the Pabbly leads, and the list name will be the new leads only. Okay, click on save and send test request and you will see a blank response will be initiated because currently I do not have any task. Okay, so I'm going to create a new task in front of you, something like create a blog. Okay, and here I will write the title something like on Google Sheets and YouTube automation. I'm providing this particular description. Okay, YouTube automation. Okay, so this is the task name, this is the description name. Let me set the priority as urgent, set dates. Okay, so I will be providing the date as tomorrow. In this way you can provide the settings. Okay, click on create. The task will be created here, and then after the task creation I'll come back to Pabbly Connect and click on this button save and send test request, and here you can see Pabbly Connect has fetched all the details. Here we have the description of our task, and let us check where is the task name. And here we have the name of the task. Now I want to update the task name once again, and here this time the combination will be the name of the task and the description of the task with the condition that it should only fetch the first 25 characters of the description. Okay, so here is my description. Okay, so how I can do that? So firstly I'm going to fetch first 25 characters from this particular description. Okay, so let us check how many 25 characters we have in the description. So I am going to open any character count tool. Okay, so here we have the online character count tool. Okay, and I will be adding this particular task. Okay, it is actually the 37 characters. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, this is actually the 23 characters, so I will add U and B as well. Okay, so I want exactly these 25 characters to be fetched. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Well, we are going to do that with the text formatter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can perform various kinds of operations within your automation, within your workflow. This time we are going to perform this truncate operation. Okay, so simply click on connect and it will be connected immediately, and firstly it will ask you to provide the text which you would like to truncate. Okay, so I would like to truncate my description. Okay, and I am not going to manually copy this text and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. You can actually find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for the description. All right, here we have the description. I have mapped it and asking for the maximum length. So here exactly I will provide that I would like to truncate this title up to this length, basically 25 characters. Okay, and I am going to leave all these fields blank, clicking on this button directly, and you will see how it is going to provide me that particular description, that particular 25 characters. Okay, and now I am going to update my title finally into the ClickUp. Okay, so how I am going to update the task name of this title? Okay, let me show you. Again, click on ClickUp, again search for the ClickUp and reconnect the ClickUp with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, in action event, this time I want to update the task name, so that is why I am specifically searching for this action event. Click on connect, and this time I'll go with the existing connection only because I have already made the connection. Okay, so this is how ClickUp will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Again, it is asking that what will be the workspace name, the space name, the folder name, and the list name. So I am going to select all the details as I have selected into my previous step. Okay, so I remember the space name was connect only, the folder name was the Pabbly leads, and the list name was the new leads. I remember that. Okay, so let me change the same. Alright, here we have the new leads. Okay, asking for the task ID. Okay, so either you can go with the task name also, but here I will be adding the task ID. How you can do that? Simply enable this mapping button, remove this manual ID of the task. Okay, and now I am going to map the ID of the task which I would like to update. Okay, so in this response I must have received the ID of the task. Let me search for the same. Here you can see we have this task ID. Okay, so I have again mapped this task ID, and you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am doing again and again. Here also I have mapped this description. Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, and whatever the details we have mapped, we have selected manually, we have provided manually, these details will remain same. Okay, and in this task name I want to concatenate the name of the task. Okay, so I remember it was something like create a blog, then I will give a space, and then I am going to provide that truncated value. Okay, basically those 25 characters of the description. Okay, so I have provided the task name which I would like to update here. Okay, and then I am going to leave all this data blank. Okay, so I can also remove this data by simply enabling this mapping. Okay, so let me remove all the data, and I will be now directly clicking on this button. But let me first, what is the existing title we have? Alright, we have the title as create a blog and description as on Google Sheets and YouTube automation. Now I will click on this button in front of you and waiting for the response to receive, which is received already. And here you can see as soon as I have clicked on that button, our title is updated as create a blog on Google Sheets and YouTube. So this is how you can update your ClickUp task automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now wherever you would like to send this particular information, by simply clicking on this plus icon, you can send this data to different application, to Google Sheets, to Slack, or any application. So this is how you can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect very quickly. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.